Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what to do if your PIN is not accepted in your OnePlus 12R device. So actually, here we do have only one fix to do. At first, if you do have the access to your phone, for example, by setting the Face ID or the fingerprint, it's easy because you just have to unlock your device via this thing. And if you are sure that the PIN you're providing to your device is correct and your phone does not accept that, you have to just open the settings and I explore you something. Wait a moment. We have to go to the security and privacy and lower the brightness level for you. Here we need to go to the device unlock and scroll down to the screen lock. Here provide the same lock screen password and tap unlock. This should be working for you, but if it isn't, we need to factory reset our device, unfortunately, via the recovery mode, which is actually the complete data loss for you if you didn't back up your data. At first, click the power button with the volume up and power off your device. Now, once your device is powered off, hold the volume down and power until you see the OnePlus logo. When you see the OnePlus logo, hold only the volume down button. Hold it till you see the language menu selection. Here, as you can see, this, and we need to click the volume down button to English. Just select your own language. Here, click power button to firmware data, rewrite this code, and confirm that you want to factory reset this device. You have to just remember one thing. Here, most Android devices have the Google FRP lock. What's that? Actually, Google FRP is a lock for stealers. When, for example, somebody steals your device, it will be safe because they need to know the password to your Google account that was logged in before. If they don't know that, this phone is unusable. That's why stealing phones is difficult nowadays, and that's why bypasses are that difficult to do. So now you have to remember your password to your Google account that's logged in before, and you'll be good to go, but without the data. And if you don't want to do this factory reset by yourself, you can just go to some authorized service or brand support. They'll do it for you, but this is a paid issue. Or if you do tell them that you know that this is correct PIN and it just doesn't work for you. But it's difficult, of course, to provide the correct data and information, so it is what it is. But that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.